it's just you, right? You're a freelancer.
Yeah.
And, yeah. Don't ever use the word I. Use the word we. So start talking about your business as if it's we and not I. And yes, it's you do a lot of the work, but certainly you have people you collaborate with. You've got a programmer friend
Yeah.
who codes things for you. You've got, your
I see.
husband or boyfriend or whoever who is your business consultant who's talking you through all of the drama you have. There's your business partner. You are a we. And when you start talking about your business as a we and as a business and not as me as a freelancer, it kind of changes that dynamic also.
Okay, because that kind of goes on a little bit later. It's the self branding, whether it was worth coming across as a studio rather than a soloist, if you like. But now that you've said,
go ahead.
But now that you've said about there are so many different people that I speak to about my business that I think now that you've said it, it's correct to say we, because they all collaborate, whether they're paid or not, in an emotional level. They're all on a level with they're all collaborating with me to help it successful. So
yeah. It is a we. There's no business that's just a person. I am a consultant now. I consult and I write books and things, but my wife hears about it all day long. It's not, there's no just me. I collaborate with her. I have some of my old employees who I trust their design feedback so much that I don't design anything new without sending it to some of my most trusted advisors. I'm like, hey, do you like this? So I'm as independent as anybody out there working, but it's not just me. I have people that I collaborate with for advice and counsel. So it's still a we in my business, and mine is even less individual or more individual than what yours is right now. So anyway, so start changing the dynamic, change the way that you speak.